This is the Hello World Podcast.
And then you do content migration. Ito na yung mga usual question din
That's
sa
the
akin,
fourth
Louie.
one. That's the fourth one.
Yes.
Content migration. Okay.
Yes. Training, L&D process mapping, LMS configuration. Fourth is content migration. Marby, how do we migrate our contents? Marami kaming PowerPoint. How do we create that into e-learning? Okay? So, ang gusto ba natin i-transfer lang para it's available there? Or do we wanna make it as a self-paced content? Yun yung, I guess, questions doon, Louie. If you just wanna make it available in the LMS, go ahead. Usually, LMSs could accommodate PowerPoint documents. So, upload lang tayo, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint. That is, if we want to just, save all of the materials there. Diba?
Yes.
But if you want it to be a self-paced course, no? Yung kaya kong matuto just by going through the course itself on my own, you have to redesign the content. Hindi siya pwedeng, yan, sige, lagay na natin dyan.
Okay.
Yan, meron na tayong courses. Because it's different when you design courses for a face-to-face class versus designing for an e-learning class. Siguro, one good example is that when we run leadership development programs, for example, yung situational leadership, right? You identify anong development level ng team members. If it were a classroom, pwede kang umikot, right? To take a look at if they're plotting them appropriately dun sa box. But in an e-learning version, paano mo gagawin yun? Right? How do you do it? How do you check it? So when you put it in a discussion board, everyone will see it. So you need to probably just create forms and have them submit it. So mag-iiba yung design niya. So if you are, maraming mag-iiba, Louie. So if you want to convert your contents, you have to redesign it. Hindi siya mag-work na copy and paste. You have to redesign the entire
Marby,
course.
Again, the beginner's question here. If you upload all the content there, that's the other option. The intention is for people to just access it and do anything that they want from it?
Yeah. Just maybe read it, but don't expect that learning gonna happen there. If it's designed for a face-to-face class. Pwede siguro, just additional information.
Okay.
Yeah.
And if I'm not mistaken, content migration could be the most tedious or most challenging part of your 9 milestones. Sige, you can I'll figure that out later. Balikan natin. While you're going to the 9, I'll figure it out. Sige.
Yeah, it's okay.
And validate it, please. Okay.
Yeah. I guess depending on your level, right? Depending on your level, you'd find out kung ano yung tedious dito. Anyway, so that's 4.
Hi everyone, this is Louie Banta, CEO and Chief Trainer of LJMB, or Learning Just Made Better. Thanks for watching my video. To get more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this video to others.